viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimisha Grant. If you're all first time, welcome. So in today's video, guys, I'll be doing some steamed fish with some jasmine white vegetable white rice on the side, alongside some broccoli, some beans, and some salad, guys. So I already cut up whatever I'm gonna use right now, and I have my stove over there. I'm boiling my corn, guys, for the fish, pre-cook it. And I already have my rice pot on, as you could see, and my next pot over there is for the fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, my okra and my bell pepper is frozen, guys, so that's the least for me. The only thing that I have to do is just pre-cook the corn. There is my broccoli, guys, and I already have some powdery seasoning on my fish. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice and get it going into the pot. Guys, please don't mind those stuff behind me. I have a lot going on, but when you have responsibilities, guys, and kids, the moment you clean, everything just reappear. It's like you just clean in vain, but I have to attack the whole house another time, guys. It's a lot of work. So let's get starting, guys, with the rice. So let's go and wash our rice, right? Yeah, man, guys, so my rice is washed. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and put it into the pot. Okay, guys, so I just put the rice into the pot, guys. So I just mix it up a little bit, guys, so it don't stick to the pot. Yes, guys, so I had my rice to the pot and it's doing its thing, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and get the fish popping. I have to get my broccoli rolling and get my salad rolling, guys, so stand by. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my corn in the pot and put all my necessary stuff into the pot, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell peppers and my carrots. Okay, guys, so please don't forget, guys, to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and to help your girl Kimisha to reach 1000k subscribers, please, guys. So as I said before, that I have the carrots and the bell peppers and all of that for the fish. Now I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and show you the fish and everything in the pot. So it's cooking right now, and then I'm gonna come back later and show you guys the final touch up. So that is it, guys. They're doing its thing, taking its time, bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. And I'm gonna also show you the rice, guys. The rice is drying out right now, so I'm gonna fluff it and put a piece of foil over it, guys. So check in again, guys. I'm gonna put the file now over the rice. Look who we have over here, guys. I have somebody over there troubling the fish. Okay, my beautiful people, so over here, guys, is the the onion, scallion, and thyme with garlic. So I love to put this in my my fish, whatever I'm making. I like to put this ingredient at last minute, guys. So it bring out the flavor, you know, it doesn't overcook, guys. Okay, guys, so that's the fish right there. I just had the onion and stuff in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it back, guys, let it steam down.
Guys, I'm gonna be singing my favorite song named Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters. I was a ghost, I was alone, ha, up in the tree, ha, I was okay. Given the throne, I didn't know, ha, how to believe. I was a kid I meant to be. I lived to life, tried to think both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Got a problem child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. On a Tuesday, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a Barnaby. Oh, I'm no time, no fear, no lie that I believe. We're going up, 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 it's our moment. When are we gonna be golden? When are we gonna be showing? Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Oh, so golden. When are we gonna be golden? Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like a Barnaby. Cause we are hunters, voices strong, the one believe.
Me and my sister is gonna sing my favorite song. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. I'm recommended to me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, is this illegal?
Hi everybody, I'm back. So my daughters, they take over the screen, guys. They have me entertained in the back. I was like the whole time. So back to business, guys. So I have my broccoli here, guys. So now my water is ready. So I gotta go in, guys, and put the broccoli into the water along with the beans. So there you have it, guys. These little bean pads are so crunchy and sweet. It has a sweet taste, and the broccoli is in there as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and cover it and let the heat cook it, guys. So guys, I'm almost coming to the end of my cooking right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and get the salad ready, which they already did the hardest part for me, which is to cut it up and all of that. It's in the pack. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and open the pack, wash it, and get it ready. I'm gonna also go ahead, guys, and peel a cucumber. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna peel my cucumber, wash it, peel it, cut it up separately.
I love cucumbers.
So I'll be using the biggest cucumber, guys. I'll be using the biggest one.
Too.
Okay, guys, so here comes my salad, guys. It's already cut up and everything, so I just wash it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the croutons in there, the croutons, the dressing, and my cheese, guys. But I think I'm gonna put the cucumber in there instead. But here it is, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so dinner is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the food, and then I'm gonna go ahead and share. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like my videos. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit that notification bell. And also tell your friend and to tell your friend about Kimisha videos. See you in my next videos, guys. I'm out.